Hello and welcome everyone. So today we are going to show you how to make eggless waffles at the comfort of your home. So shall we move on? Then let's go. Let's start with our ingredients now. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. It's maida. Add to a bowl. You can sift it if you want, but I'm not doing it now. I'm just pressing it with my spoon to break the lumps, if any. And next, we will start powdering our sugar. The normal granulated sugar that I'm using here. I will just run it in the blender until it becomes a fine powder. So it's done. And now we will add it to the bowl. Next, we are adding about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoons of corn flour, then 1½ tablespoons of cocoa powder, mix it well, and now we will start with the wet ingredients. That is, we are adding about 4 tablespoons of yogurt or curd and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, and we have 1 tablespoon of butter here, which we will melt and let it cool, and after that add it to the mixture. Beat it well with a fork or a beater. It should get combined well. Just beat it nicely. You can use an egg whisker also. Now add it to the dry ingredients. That's our flour and sugar mixture. Now we will add milk and make it a fine batter. Mix it well, make it a fine batter. If there are any lumps, you can just break it. You don't need to beat this batter, just mix it, combine well. We have added about ½ cup and about 2 tablespoons of milk here, but add little by little. This is the consistency we want, not too thick or too thin. Now we are using this waffle maker. This is a 3-in-1 sandwich maker which has a waffle plate with it. So now I have preheated it. If you wish to buy, you can buy this product from the link in the description. Grease the plates with oil or butter. I have already greased it. Now I am adding about ½ cup of batter to the waffle maker. Just ½ cup will do, otherwise it will overflow. You don't need to spread it, just add it like this and then close the waffle maker. Cook it for at least 7 minutes. Don't open it before that because it will lose the heat. So after 7 minutes, just check. Wow, our waffles is almost done. You can cook it for 3 to 4 minutes more if you want to make it crispier. But remember, you may find it slightly soft when you check it after 6 to 7 minutes. But as it cools, it's going to become harder. So don't keep it for too long, otherwise it will become too hard. So now after 10 minutes, let's check. Okay, I lift it and show you now. See, it's nicely done and well cooked. Now we will take it out. And you can serve it with some ice cream on the top or any topping of your choice. So hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your waffles.